Hi, in this tutorial we'll show you how to stream from Final Cut Pro to Pixelview with NDI and OBS. With this setup, you get a complete system for showing your work live to remote clients, and no extra hardware is needed. Pixelview also has both video and text chat built in for easy collaboration when you stream. First go to pixelview.io and click Get Started to create your login credentials. We'll email you your login within a few hours or a day at the most. Then Google NDI Tools and install it together with OBS. To get the audio working on both the stream and your headphones, you need to install a free app called Black Hole. Google it and fill in your email to install it. Select Black Hole for your audio output. Remember to switch this back after streaming. Open System Preferences and click NDI Tools. Select 1080 resolution and the frame rate you use. Then open Final Cut and make sure NDI is selected as output. Click Window and turn on AV output. Open OBS and add a new NDI source. Select AV output and set latency mode to low. Then add an audio input capture and select Black Hole. We now have audio from Final Cut coming into the stream, as you can see here on the audio meter. To get this audio in our headphones, we need to enable monitoring. Open Preferences, click Audio, and select what device you want to use for local monitoring. Then right-click on your audio source, select Advanced Audio Properties, and enable monitoring on the audio input capture. You should now have audio in both the stream and your headphones. Sometimes the audio won't work if you close and open OBS. To re-enable it, simply open the audio properties again and toggle it off and on. Then open Settings and select Stream. Choose Custom and enter the server URL that you've received from us. Next, select Output to adjust the video settings and select Advanced. Set a bitrate at up to 12,000 kilobits per second. We recommend somewhere around 5,000 for a good mix between quality and bandwidth. After that, select Ultra-Fast, Main, and Zero Latency for the compression settings. Save and click Start Streaming. Open up the admin link you also received from us and log in. The easiest way to watch the stream is to click on the Watch link in the interface. You can also watch using our app Pixelview Player for iOS and Apple TV for even better color accuracy and latency. To generate a new link for a new client session, simply choose how long you want the new link to be active and click Generate New Link. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or want us to guide you through the setup.